Hi everyone, this is Oladitidaya. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to be making money online with your WhatsApp and Expertnaire product. So the Expertnaire is like the ClickBank, but it's for Nigerians. And with the Expertnaire, you can sell products, affiliate products that you did not actually make yourself. You just sell it and you promote, you sell, and you get a commission from the sale. You can get up to 50% commission in some cases. You can get 40% commission. You can get 30% commission depending on the program that you are actually promoting. So let's log in into my account. This is my account. I'll log in so that you can see the platform that we're talking about. So this is it. This is the platform. I made a sale. You see, from a single sale I made 9,000 naira just from a single sale. This actually works. This is my personal account, and this is the affiliates for the products, so that you can see the products that you are going to promote and make sale and get your profit. So this is how it works. So these are some products. As you see, this sells for 25,000 and the commission is 50%. This is 50% also. This 50%, you see, this 40,000, 50%, that is 20,000 naira per sale that you are going to this commission. This is 30% for 30,000 naira worth of product, and you make 9,000 sale. So this is 50%, this 20,000 naira worth of product, and you will paid 10,000 just for making a sale. So what you are going to do is you get your link, like this product, this other one, 72 hours income generator program. This is a very fast selling program. It's partner product, and if you sell, you are going to make a commission of 9,000 naira just from a single sale of that particular product. So you click here to get the link. This is the link that you are going to get. So instead of sending this directly to your buyers, you can shorten the link with bit.ly. Once you get the shortened link, then you can send to those interested on either WhatsApp. You can just craft a small message and send to all your contacts on WhatsApp, and you will be lucky to make one or two sales. And if you are doing that, you share on social media, you share on some other platforms, and but the 72 IG is actually a training for affiliate marketing, so that you learn all the ropes of the trade. You learn how to sell affiliate products properly, how to how to build a list, how to drive traffic to your offers, then how to follow up so that you increase your conversion rate, so that you actually continue to make money. So that is how Expertnaire approach. You can see different products: how to move to Canada, passive income machine, masterclass, the product detective, how to create a PayPal account. There are so many of them that you can choose from, and you make money once you make a sale. This is the easiest way you can make money online in Nigeria. Just get your affiliate product, you get your affiliate link, then you promote on either WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. Then once somebody clicked and buy through your link, you get paid a certain amount of commission. You don't need to wait. But the Expertnaire pays every Friday. So once you set up your account, you put your account number there. So through that account number, you'll be paid every Friday automatically. So you don't need to do anything, just continue promoting on YouTube, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, so every available channel that you can post on. But if you get the 72 hours IG income generator, you will actually save 2 years membership on the Expertnaire platform, because the Expertnaire is not free, because this is a serious money making platform. So it's not free. So it is a 10,000 naira per year platform. So once you get into it, you want to short those people that are really interested in making money online. Those are the ones that will get into this platform, and with the help of the platform, they can be able to make consistent and daily income for themselves. So once you get in through the 72 hours income generator, so you will not need to pay for 2 years. That is, you are saving 20,000 naira instantly just by getting in through the 72 hours. So I will actually advise, if you are getting into the Expertnaire platform, so it is better for you to join through the 72 hours income generator, so that you can save that 2 years. That is 20,000 that you are saving, and you continue to make money on the platform. So I hope you really enjoyed this video and you have learned something from the video. So till I see you in my next video, I say bye bye and stay blessed.